Baby,
Yeah,
I want to ask you for something.
say it.
Okay? I want to make my nails and I need 25,000 for it.
25k Oga for nails. Ah, don't worry. I have who will do it cheap.
Cheap.
Yes, cheap.
Okay, call her.
I'll call him.
Him?
Yes, he's my guy now. Don't worry. He knows his work. Oh, yeah? I'll call him. Good morning. Have fun now.
Babe,
Yeah,
is it you?
it's done. Come on. It's okay now.
Madam, no worry. This is how you keep your face like disappointment.
Come on now.
We just pray.
See, I don't dey run this thing, no. I don't dey run and see it's from Bele.
What?
Times and Tiwa they call me man run this thing. Always they call me man run this thing for them.
You be mumu.
And you're this cheap. He said you're cheap.
See, I know they cheap, madam. Now only say your gun our customer.
Babe, customer.
Yes, I help them distribute goods.
Photo.
Your gun a baddest distributor. Na baddest distributor.
70 years old man.
See, madam, you go just come sit down. They can just run this in 2 seconds. Don't finish am. Okay, madam, I will make you close your eyes.
What?
Photo. Not be juju be that. We just pray.
A few moments later.
Madam, you go see my professionalism here. So open your
Jesus. Oga, what is this now?
Mr. Ray.
What rubbish? Babe, you're here. You said this. You could. What's wrong
calm
with this?
down now. This calm down now. When you do like Karashika, calm down. See, na cheating your guy pay for. Eh? The last time we come for our shop, do for the damn madam. Na cheating we pay for.
70 years old man. May God not allow them make them see you.
Baby, follow me inside my